Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, back up photos and important files to the cloud or an SD card because resets may be required. Next, go to Settings, find the Setup app, force stop it, then clear cache and data to remove corrupted temporary files. Reboot the phone to apply this first set of fixes. You'll test whether setup can proceed normally after this restart. If the problem persists, you proceed to deeper steps. First, reset app preferences to restore disabled system apps and disable any extra launchers that might hijack setup. This removes conflicts. Then reboot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app is crashing the setup process. If setup works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. Also update Google Play services and Android system web view from the Play Store because outdated components often break initial setup flows. As a final stretch, consider a factory reset only after backups. This clears persistent, corrupt settings that stop setup. Make sure you sign into the same account afterward. If you're comfortable, flash the official firmware with OEM tools as a last resort to restore system files. Once done, wipe the cache partition and retry the setup process to ensure no residues remain. If you still see errors, try installing a different SIM or contacting manufacturer support for device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.